Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and I didn't think I'd ever say this, but welcome to a Home Bargains haul. Yes, I have been trying my hardest to get diamond paintings in Home Bargains, and do you think I could find them? No, but I did come across this festive washi tape. Now we are experiencing a few delays to the unboxing, so I've had to go into the loft to get this out of the Christmas box because there's literally nothing else to unbox at the moment. We're waiting for things to come through Temu, so we're stuck with the Christmas one for now. I really wanted to save this until Christmas, but you know, it's just sitting in its packaging. As you can see, I bought it I think it was like last December, and it's been in the packaging ever since. So welcome to Home Bargains for the first time in like a diamond painting haul. So as you can see in here, you get festive washi tape and you get 5 in a pack for I think I paid like £1 for it, or 75p, obviously because I bought it last year. I can't remember how much it was. So in here, wow, the tape looks really thick. Oh, this is brilliant, yeah. So this is really, really lovely. Just look at the colours in here. Now, Roxanne over at Diamond Paints with Craft Addict, Roxanne, she got me a nutcracker from Amazon quite a while back. So this will go perfect with that painting. As you can see, it's nice and thick, and you got a cute little nutcracker on it. How cool is that? So I've got that one. This one's really nice because it's got the words Merry Christmas written on it. It's really weird filming this in the middle of July, but it is what it in the middle of June, but this is the things you have to go to when you've got no content to put up. So yeah, but anyway, this is absolutely beautiful. The writing is just the right font. Fantastic. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. And it's a really dark, gorgeous red colour. So that's going to work quite nice. I've got a few Christmas trucks in that. I'm not really sure what I can use that on, because this is not your standard sort of washi tape sizing. It normally is like that size. So this is like going to be a bit tricky on what to use it on. I might just use that as a craft thing. This one's really, oh wow, look at the little robin. Ah, yeah, so this is beautiful. Look at this one. You've got a robin on the holly and the ivy. The holly and the ivy. Sorry, I couldn't resist that. And then it sort of feels like wallpaper, doesn't it? It would really, like, that would be really lovely wallpaper, or even like wrapping up paper. This is really nice washi tape. And then last but not least, we have this very sort of like, we're walking in the air. You know, that dark sort of vibe, dark snowy night, and you've got like a gold sort of, don't know what that is actually, some sort of flower thing. You've got some ivy there and holly and snow, and oh, it's just a gorgeous piece of washi tape, isn't it? So once again, we've got this one, we've got our beautiful robin tape. It's so nice that I don't actually want to use it, but we've got to. So we've got this lovely Merry Christmas one, we've got the nutcracker, and we've also got this gold one. So a lovely selection of there for the first time ever from Home Bargains. Now I can't give you the link because obviously this is from like 5 months ago. So yeah, I will pop this into, I'm not going back in the loft in this heat, so it was sweltering getting up there as it is, so so I'll put that in my diamond painting box. But as I said, this is from Home Bargains. I really hope in the near future that they do diamond paintings, because if they sell washi tape, they must sell them and not have any diamond paintings whatsoever. So yeah, but washi tape, maybe they think it's for like decorating presents, or, you know, taping up the mind you, you could actually use this for, like, if you wrap up your Christmas present, rather than use standard tape, just use a bit of washi tape, make it a bit festive. But anyway, that is our unboxing this week. Whether we'll have one on Monday, I'm not sure yet. I was searching most of the afternoon yesterday on Amazon, and I could not find any ones that I liked. But if not, we will do a whip and chat. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tap that good old notification bell so that you can be alerted as and when a video pops up on the channel. And we'll see you next time. Bye bye.